Hello, guys, and welcome to Azim Trend Daily. So, in a trending story at this moment, news just in. So, according to Herald, Robert Mugabe Jr. has been fined 300 USD after being convicted of illegal possession of drug. So, Robert Mugabe Jr. pleaded guilty to the offense earlier today when he appeared before Harare magistrate. So, in addition to the fine, he was also sentenced to 3 months imprisonment. But however, this term was wholly suspended on condition that he does not commit a similar offense in the next 5 years. So that is his sentencing. So tell us what to think in comment section. So I've been seeing my mixed reaction in the comment section. Vamwe vachibvunza kuti why Ras Pombi, the musician, akabatwa nema-drugs, but akapiwa sentencing ye 6 months if I'm not mistaken. But uyu angopiwa kafine inobvapo mamanzi asiri kusevha ari mujeri aari kunzi achazosevha kana akazobatwa nesimila mhosva pamakore anotevera. So I was actually trying to look for kuti nyaya dzavo dzakafanana here. According to some sources pandanga ndichisecha nyaya yaRobert Mugabe Jr. It is being said that akaonekwa ane 2 grams of cannabis, that is mbanje if I'm not mistaken. And then Ras Pombi akabatwa aine mabhodhoro ebhurongwe here, handizo danga akawanda sei. So maybe according to me mafungiro angu, I'm not saying kuti matongero anoita mitemo yavo. According to me, I think maybe maweight acho anenge akasiyana. Uyu akabatwa neka 2 grams chete chete, then uyu akabatwa ine maybe uyu aizoda kutengesa here zvinhu zvacho, then maybe it was just for personal use. So mhosva dzacho dzinokwanisa kutongwa zvakasiyana. It's how I'm thinking. So tell us what you think. Please don't forget to subscribe.